First time the cougar touches down in 3 years. Or 2. No, about 3. Yeah, about 3. Who says your race car can't be used for work? Oh, the scrap filled up in the panel. Now we're gonna push the car back over there. Only the one tire needs air. What is a truck? It's full of bugs.
Ah, now your truck's full of bugs.
I got spiders in the truck for that.
Oh, they get you're feeding spiders?
Yeah.
So it's stuck in the ditch. What are we gonna do? Just push it back and hope it stops?
Oh, we're gonna push it forward. After those are shutting the door.
Hey?
Got her pushed back. That's where she's gonna sit now until get the garage, and then we'll push her back in. For now, I gotta clean up the mess that I made over the past 3 years, and somehow it still leaked. Hasn't had anything in it for the past 3 years and still managed to leak. It's not even a Chevy. Use the forklift, grab the engine out of here, throw whatever scrap we got out, and then we'll be back. Show you the aftermath. Welcome back to Myth Machines. Today's episode we'll be taking down the roof. As you already saw, we pushed out my cougar down there. Get an area back here all clean up. Show you around. Sorry about the meowing. This one does not shut up. Yeah. So we got all cleaned up. Got everything moved out of here. So now we got to take down this awning here, or roof, whatever you want to call it. So we could build out the walls. That's how far as we're going, is the chalk line there. That's where the walls will be. Still got to move the motor. Just bring the forklift back here, but I got to empty out the panel of all the scrap metal first. Trying to save the metal as much as possible. So I'm going to unscrew all that, push it off, and then everything else I'm just going to whack apart and see how quickly it comes apart. So we're going to start at the top, bring you up there, and show you all the screws you got to shoot off with the drill. No, not you, Cat. Using the drill socket on it, 1/4 inch. They have a bunch of self-tappers, and or zap them all out and take off the metal coverings. Alright, so see I got a little screws to shoot out, and then I'll slide them right off. I'm not going to walk on any of this. I don't trust it. I'm going to climb up the ladder, shoot out what I got, slide off the sheet. All the roofing. So now I'm going to start taking off the cross. Little 1/2 inch board here. You have to use the rear screw down to the sheet metal. Looks like it's all got screws anyway, so I'm just going to unscrew it all and take it off. Alright, so I got my crossboards off, taking it on my light, and I turned my camera on. Didn't realize I had to push the button. So I took my bulbs out, I took off the little wood cover had on, it was just a screw. That came off, pulled the two bulbs out, they just pull right out. It has the centerpiece here that you just squeeze. Before you touching the electrical, always make sure your electrical is off. You can even go as far as turning the breakers off for it. Now my cap can't go back on. I'll take some tape, cover some tape. Prefer use electric tape, but I let my brother use it the other day and I never got it back. So around. And there we go. Light fixture is down. Throw the wire there. It's got two screws on each side. Should have those out. Now it's time you all been waiting for. It's hammer time. Alright, with that, next is my header board. This board up here. You can see it's nailed in all the way, so I got no options but to whack it out. Start on this side. Now, when you knock out a board that only has nails in it, do yourself a favor and either you're going to use the board again, knock all the nails out, or knock them all over. We're not going to use this board again, so knocking them all over, because at some point, either you or somebody's going to step on them. And stepping on nails really sucks. So now I'm ready to take out the runners. And the runners are pretty crappy other than far one there. I don't have some screws in, but I'm just going to whack them all out and try to deal with the screws on those ones. Get them off. Alright, so that board still has screws in it. I'm gonna unscrew those. I'm gonna take all the bolts and screws out of that one. I'm also gonna take off the face and the bottom of all this, get rid of that light. Then I'm gonna unscrew all these. These got screws in them, so. Oh dear. That one's quite wobbly. What about this one? This one's pretty sturdy. Screw off the support boards. I just have the one post here. And all this is going to be gone also. First you got to take off screws in that one. I figured they'd both be bolted on like that, but I guess not. the plan was to cut those posts off flush, but they're kind of rotting out in the bottom, so I guess just gotta patch it with concrete now. Clean all that out, get some concrete patch and fill it out. Nope, they're down. I'll take that off later. Alright, and that's finish the whole entire roof down. All I got left now is to take off these cover boards on the bottom here, my face board, and that's next to do. We gotta shoot out all the screws and bolts and get those off. Alrighty, so you got a mysterious wire right there. I don't know where that goes. You got two that come out here, and the other one goes that way, so they're actually two different wires, looks like. So I have no idea what that actually powers. I don't think there's anything up top there. Only thing up there is the satellite dish, but it doesn't plug into that. And we don't have dish anyway, so we are removing that too. So I'm gonna hold off on taking off the face for now. This still has some protection for the elements, so it looks pretty bad up here, especially over here in this corner. There you see, that's got all dry rot and everything. That's no good. That's okay because we're gonna be running new runners from the top of the house with the garage extension, so it'll survive there. Fix these up, do what we gotta do while we're here. Everything else looks pretty okay, other than they missed the nails pretty well. That one completely missed. I also got mysterious pipe here. You know where that goes? I don't know, somewhere up there. But that's gonna be the video for this week. I hope you enjoyed it. Moving the car back and cleaning up a little bit. Well, I don't think I really should be cleaning up, but the aftermath of cleaning up some, which I gotta clean up again, but cleaning's an ongoing project. It never ends. Hope you enjoyed dismantling the house some and start building on an extension. With that, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. As always, be so kind, like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate it, and keep the videos coming. On to the next one.